Want radiant skin and luscious hair? It's time to go back to the source. For centuries, nature has been the world's best-kept beauty secret, and now it's your turn to unlock it. From ancient oils to botanical elixirs, the answers to glowing skin and healthy hair are closer than you think. This is more than a routine, it's a return to nature. Ready to glow the natural way? Let's dive in. Natural ingredients are bursting with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. These essential nutrients are vital for maintaining overall health and well-being. They help in boosting your immune system and keeping your body functioning optimally. These powerful elements nourish, protect, and rejuvenate your skin and hair. They provide deep hydration and essential nutrients that help in repairing and maintaining healthy skin and hair. Unlike synthetic products, natural ingredients are gentle and less likely to cause irritation. They are suitable for all skin types, including sensitive skin, and help in reducing the risk of allergic reactions. They are also eco-friendly and sustainable, making them a better choice for you and the planet. By choosing natural ingredients, you are supporting a healthier lifestyle and contributing to environmental conservation. Let's explore some star ingredients from nature's beauty basket. These ingredients have been cherished for centuries for their remarkable benefits and versatility in skincare and hair care routines. Aloe vera is a succulent plant known for its soothing properties. It forms a protective layer on the skin, locking in moisture. This makes it excellent for treating sunburns, acne, and dry skin. Additionally, aloe vera is rich in antioxidants and vitamins A, C, and E, which help to rejuvenate the skin and combat signs of aging. Honey is a natural humectant, drawing moisture from the air to your skin. It also possesses antibacterial properties, making it effective against acne. Honey leaves your skin feeling soft, supple, and radiant. Furthermore, honey is packed with antioxidants that help to protect your skin from environmental damage and promote healing. Avocado is a fruit rich in healthy fats and vitamins A, D, and E. These nutrients deeply moisturize and nourish the skin, promoting elasticity and reducing wrinkles. The creamy texture of avocado makes it an excellent ingredient for face masks, providing intense hydration and leaving the skin feeling smooth and rejuvenated. Avocado oil is a great addition to hair masks, taming frizz and adding shine. It is also rich in oleic acid and monounsaturated fats, which strengthen the hair shaft and prevent breakage. This makes avocado oil an excellent choice for those looking to improve the health and appearance of their hair. Ready to unlock the power of nature for your skin and hair? Imagine harnessing the benefits of natural ingredients to achieve that radiant glow and luscious hair you've always dreamed of. Start by incorporating simple, natural ingredients into your beauty routine. These ingredients are not only effective, but also gentle on your skin and hair, providing nourishment without the harsh chemicals. Try a honey face mask, which is known for its antibacterial and moisturizing properties. Honey can help soothe and hydrate your skin, leaving it soft and supple. Or an avocado hair treatment. Avocado is rich in vitamins and healthy fats that can deeply condition your hair, making it stronger and shinier. You can also explore the world of natural and organic personal care products available today. These products are formulated with ingredients derived from nature, ensuring that you get the best care without compromising on quality. Embrace the natural path to beauty and let your inner radiance shine through. By choosing natural products, you're not only taking care of yourself, but also supporting a more sustainable and eco-friendly lifestyle. And let your inner radiance shine through. Feel confident and beautiful knowing that you're using the best that nature has to offer. Interested in learning more about natural ingredients and DIY beauty recipes? Visit your local library. There you can find a wealth of books and resources that delve into the benefits and uses of natural ingredients, or explore online resources for a wealth of information. The internet is filled with blogs, tutorials, and expert advice on how to incorporate natural ingredients into your beauty routine. Click the link in the video description, and you'll find several essential personal care products that will help you stay comfortable and fresh all the time. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more self-care tips and beauty routines. Stay glowing and see you in the next video.